On my previous video, Invisible Aliens, Transporter Beams, it clearly shows the presence of energy beams transporting what appears to be alien spacesuits, alien entities, and a large orb or UFO. It didn't show where the large orb came from, or what it really looks like on the inside, or how it appears to function. In this video, I'm going to go one step closer to try to determine just what it is that we are dealing with. I'm going to show you what a large orb or UFO is composed of, and where other orbs seem to originate from. What you are looking at now is the core section of an orb falling toward the Earth's surface. The final configuration of the orb will be a solid white ball, but at this point the outer surface of the orb is not formed, so the inner core of the orb is visible. Notice the center section appears to have a head or larger section at the top with a stem for a body. Notice the branch-type projections coming from the center stem, similar to branches coming off the trunk of a tree. Most importantly, the branches appear to be spinning off small orbs. Small orbs always appear on or prior to the alien entity's appearance in the spacesuits. This is not the first time the inner core of an orb was made visible. 4 years prior, an orb was photographed while forming from a small bright light to a large translucent orb. The inner core was also visible, and like this one, it had a head section and stem for a body. It's plain to see the inner configuration was the same. In both previous cases, the orbs appeared to have the same internal structure and had the ability to spin off or create more individual orbs. A third situation occurred where the orb, unlike the first two, had a different configuration. The bottom of the orb was flat. I don't know the significance of this, except it appeared that the orb was filled with alien entities, not orbs. An entity was filmed either leaving or entering the orb. What made this one special was the fact that the image appeared directly under the orb that resembled a platform with the likeness of 4 heads mounted on the top of the platform, with a conical structure attached to each side of the platform. It appears to be some sort of vehicle. Maybe the alien entities travel in this when they're not in the spacesuits. This is speculation on my part, but it is really bizarre. Observers in the field have posted many pictures of flying-type craft on the site. The odds are pretty good that something very real is definitely taking place in the sky. To find out who or what is responsible for the activity, maybe the cameras should be looking closer to the Earth's surface. There is a good possibility that aliens and ghosts are related, all a part of the same thing. If you point your camera to look into your backyard or even into your home, and if you're patient, there's an excellent chance you will find someone or something that is looking back at you. Did you notice the small image that appeared first looked exactly the same as the larger transparent image that filled the camera lens? I filmed this in 1979 in Palm Springs, Florida. If you have any questions, you can email me, Gregory Harold, at heraldsmystery@aol.com, or visit my website at www.gregoryharold.com. To review up to 50 of my YouTube videos, please visit the following link. Thank you.